Many people have associated the concept of winning in Dream 11 with success in trading, and that, in my opinion, is bad. Hey guys, it's Rish here, you're watching Trading Explained, and in today's video we are going to spot those key similarities and differences between Dream 11 and trading, and then going to conclude if Dream 11 and trading are the same. So without any further ado, let's begin. So starting off the video with similarities between both of them, we have three key similarities between them. The number one is analysis, number two is betting, and number three is the chance of losing. Let's understand them one by one. Whenever you put up a team at Dream 11, you have to analyze what kind of weather it is going to be today, what kind of pitch it is that is going to be played today, what kind of players that are going to play today, and all sorts of things. So that is the kind of analysis that you have to do. And when you trade, you have to look for the chart, you have to analyze the chart of the asset that you are trading. Let's say you are trading gold. So for trading gold, you have to analyze based on its chart whether gold is going to go up in value today or down in value today. And such analysis needs to be done. So analysis is common whether it's Dream 11 or trading. Number two is betting. So until and unless you put up a team, you're not going to win anything back. And to put up a team in Dream 11, you need money. So basically, you need to bet something in order to win something back. Similarly, when you're trading, you need to bet on a trade to win something back. So the betting factor remains the same in both things as well. Number three is the chance of losing. So until and unless you bet, you're not winning anything back. That remains constant. But even if you analyze, even if you bet, it is no guarantee that you're going to win in both of the sides. Meaning, whenever you put up a team in Dream 11, you're not sure that this particular team is going to win 100%. You just give your best analysis, you just pick up your best team according to you, and then leave the rest to the match. Similarly, when you trade, you just pick the best trade according to you and leave the rest to the market. But the chance of losing is always there. No matter how good your analysis is, or no matter how big or small your bet is, the chance of losing, the factor that is there, the unknown factor, the random factor of chance of losing, that no matter how good you as an analyst you are, you can still lose no matter it's Dream 11 or trading. So the chance of losing is there. So these were the three key similarities between Dream 11 and trading. And let's now move to understand the key differences before we conclude, is Dream 11 and trading the same? So when we talk about differences, this is where things start to rip off for Dream 11, because there are some major differences and that matters. So number one difference between trading and Dream 11 is that in trading, you can choose to become a professional trader, while in Dream 11, it is just entertainment. You just play it for fun, you just play it for entertainment purposes. But in trading, you can choose to become a professional trader. You can choose to work at institutional banks, institutional firms as a trader, and then you can make a living for yourself. But that is not possible when it comes to Dream 11, because it is just nothing else than a game. The number two difference that makes up for this list is emotional control. Now when you trade, you got to have that emotional control, because without controlling emotions, trading is impossible. You know that. And when it comes to Dream 11, there's no such thing called as emotional control, because you just pick your team, you just analyze stuff, and then you leave the rest to the match. I mean, the players that are there, that they are going to work for you. They are going to make the points list go up and down of yours, and there's nothing that you have to do manually when it comes to making stuff up in Dream 11. But it is not the same in trading, because whenever you punch a trade, it is completely up to you whether to hold that trade, whether to book profits, whether to book loss. If book loss, then when to book loss. If you have to book profits, then when to book profits, and everything that is there, you are in control, and that is why that emotional control is must. Number three that makes up to this list is patience. So when you trade, you need to have those patience. Similar to the emotional control, the patience is needed, the emotional control is needed. But when it comes to Dream 11, this skill is not required at all, because again, you just choose the team and then you leave the rest up to the match. So the skills like emotional control and patience are required for you to become a trader, but those skills are absolutely not necessary in order to play Dream 11 in order to do something there, win, lose, or anything of that sort. Number 4 difference is probably the biggest one, because as a trader you contribute to the economy, because if the traders are not there, there is not going to be enough liquidity in the markets, and enough liquidity, if enough liquidity is not there, there are not going to be investors in the market, and when there are not investors in financial market, what happens is the financial economy of any particular country can collapse, and whenever the financial economy collapses, the major economy of that particular country is always on the brink of collapse. So as a trader, you contribute to that liquidity brings in the investors bring in the stability to financial economy, and that in all just gives stability to the major economy. That is not happening in Dream 11. You just play for entertainment purposes and there's nothing good coming out of it. You are probably just wasting your time, having some fun, and that's it. Now, the thing is, people do not like hearing the truth. People like lies, because lies are sweet and truth is bitter. But the truth is, let's just tell you honestly, that trading is a profession that can be mastered, that can be made some money upon it consistently. We'll go to that consistency point later on, but basically trading is something where you can achieve a good level of mastery and live your life based on it, live your life being a trader. But that is absolutely not possible when it comes to these fantasy cricket games or anything of that sort, because this is completely luck based. The team you choose, the analysis you do does not matter, because no matter how good the team you choose, if that particular player is not playing on that day, I mean he's not performing on that particular day, there's nothing you can do about it. So this is why the luck factor that is there is most probably 95% or even more than that. And therefore the number 5 difference that makes up to the list is consistency, that as a trader you can achieve insane level of consistency when it comes to making money in the markets. But it is absolutely not possible to achieve that kind of consistency when you play such entertainment games like Dream 11 and all sorts of things. So trading is something based on which you can spend your life on, based on which you can earn money consistently, but that is not possible when it comes to Dream 11. So Dream 11 and trading are not same, and for God's sake, don't please just think about all these theories that are coming up, because I have been hearing people saying that, hey, if you could win in Dream 11, then you probably can win in trading as well. And trust me, it is not that simple. So I hope you liked this video and learned something out of it. If you did, then make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll be coming back with such more content that revolves around trading psychology, consistency, success and failures in general, and we'll keep talking on trading. Until then, I will see you around. Bye bye. Peace out.